You can connect it to your DSLR or mirrorless camera, your phone, action camera. You could even connect it to your drone. Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you all the creative ways you can use your wireless mic, and specifically in this video, the DJI Mic. This is a very versatile mic, and if you missed my video on gear for creators, then check it out to find out why audio is important in your videos. So we're going to find out just how you can use this to creatively capture better audio in your videos. Now, DJI has come out with their second mic, so I'm excited to see how I can creatively use these. Now, when you get a DJI mic, you're either going to get it in a kit like this, 2 mics and a receiver, or you can buy just a mic separate, and now the two can connect with Bluetooth. Now let's go over some ways you can mic up. I would normally take the magnet off so it's not as heavy. Now you can clip it on your shirt here. That's going to give you a good audio sound from just you talking. Clip it onto your backpack strap and have the mic right there. If you're wearing a hoodie, you can just clip it onto the hood there. If your hood is up, you can clip it right there, or you can just clip it like you would on your shirt, right on the collar, or just, now most times people are just clipping these mics on their shirts like this, but that is a big chunk. What if you want to be a little more discreet with your microphone and hide that mic a little bit better? Well, you can just turn it around with your clip facing out, and that gets more of the mic out of the way. And if you're wearing a button-down shirt, you're going to slip this inside the shirt. So you could clip it so your clip is hiding on the inside button. You can hide it that way. That's going to be pointing your mic a little bit off to the side. So if you use the magnet, kind of put that mic right there, and then your microphone's going to be directed more towards the face. Or you can just slip it into the pocket and face that microphone towards you and use it that way. Or if you are wearing a jacket, then you can just slip that microphone right onto an inside pocket right there, and then that will be right inside. You won't see it, but you could slip it around, put the microphone on the inside of the pocket. That's going to give pretty good audio right there. But most of the time, just run and gun filming, you're probably not going to be wearing a button down or a jacket. That's going to be a more professional setup. Maybe you're doing a podcast or something in that, but we'll get to podcast later with this little mic. Another way you can be a little more discreet, wearing one of these mics with a t-shirt and just use the magnet on the outside here. It's going to give you a little bit of a wrinkle in your shirt, but it's not that huge chunk of microphone sticking out in the open, so it's a little less distracting to wear it inside like that. And I have more ways to hide it later on in this video, but just how versatile is this little microphone? There are a lot of ways to use your DJI mic. The DJI mics have a wide range of connectability, and you can connect this to so many different things, so let me show you. You can connect it to your DSLR or mirrorless camera. Just put your receiver up here, connect that with the audio cable up here like this, turn on the receiver, turn on the mic. Then it will show you up there, once it is connected to one of the mics, it will show the audio levels up there on the top of what the mic is sounding like. And now you're getting good audio from your mirrorless camera, just like that. Then just change out the little hot shoe plate on the bottom, switch that out for your lightning connector, and you can connect it to your phone. And now you get better audio with your phone. Pull out the lightning connector and switch that out for the USB-C plug on the back here, and you can connect it to your action camera. Just slip that in there. Now your mic is connected to your action camera, and now you're getting good audio from your DJI mic to your action camera, just like that. And you can also connect it to your gimbal. While it doesn't actually connect right to the gimbal, you can connect it to your camera and then hook it on to the gimbal. I've got it connected right underneath here to the bottom hot shoe instead of up here on the camera, so I can balance it better. If your camera balances better with it up here, it's just distributing the weight around to find the best balance point. For me, it works down here. If your microphone is attached to a gimbal though, you might get some whine from the motors, so having an external microphone is a way to be able to level up your audio and still get super smooth footage with your gimbal. Now with the Mic 2, you have a Bluetooth wireless connection that you can connect to your action camera that way. Once the microphone connects, then you will have this audio bar right up here along the top of the screen on your action camera. You can also connect to your MacBook Pro using the USB-C connector, and then just connect that right into your computer. And now you have better audio with your MacBook. Now whenever you are doing a screen recording or a live stream, you'll be able to use a wireless mic using that connected into your computer. If you live stream, videocast, or podcast, just connect the DJI Mic and bam, you have better audio. Now obviously if you have studio mics, they're going to give you a lot better quality than these little wireless mics, and you'll want to use those studio mics. But if you're going to be mobile or traveling somewhere and you don't want to bring all that gear, or if you don't have studio mics, then these are a great way to capture better audio. Just set up the cameras for your podcast, hook up your DJI mic to a camera. Now once you have both connected, this is going to allow you to be able to get stereo or to be able to record mono. If you record in mono, you will get one track for the left channel and one track for the right channel. If you record in stereo, both the mics are going to be set into one audio track. Then just go into the menu, you can switch this from stereo to mono, and then with it on mono, you'll have one track for this person, one track for this person. If you just have this setup, you can have two mics, one for each person, and if you have a shotgun mic, just leave that on your camera, and then you'll have like a room audio. You just have some different options like that when we're recording a podcast. Normally you probably just stick two mics on people and record each person individually on those mono tracks. Then later you can go into your editing, drop that file in, and then change it from mono to stereo. Then you'll be getting audio from both speakers instead of having that mono track that you recorded. Another way you can hide this mic is to grab a lavalier mic and plug that into your DJI mic like that, and then you will have the mic in your pocket, clipped on your belt or behind you out of view, and using the smaller lav mic to capture the audio from your subject. Now a little trick here with the lavalier mic, you want to plug it in, and in case this gets pulled out of the DJI mic, you can wrap this around underneath the clip, back behind the clip, and it's not going to get pulled out when you pull onto the lavalier mic if it would ever get pulled or anything. Instead of having this whole block, you just have this tiny little microphone. You can hide this under your shirt, clipped in under your jacket, hide the mic like that, and then just clip the receiver, put it in your pocket, clip it to your belt loop. Or you can just hold your lav mic to share your story if you're on your way traveling across the country with a penny. Speaking of ways you can hold your mic, there are a lot of ways that you can hold it too. You can just hold it normally like this, hold it like the sports announcer. You can clip the mic to your finger, you can clip it on a stick, and actually with that stick idea, grab your selfie stick and put your mic on there and have a boom mic. Like I could get audio for that guy over there from over here. Professional audio on a boom mic. You could mount this on a tripod. There's so many options. And you could even connect it to your drone. Now hold on, it doesn't actually connect to the quadcopter, but you can sync up your audio with your drone footage and you can use it that way. So you can get shots like this and still get audio from your quadcopter footage. Now most times with your drone footage, you're probably going to want to record your audio while you're flying farther away. Otherwise you're gonna get a lot of buzzy noise in your footage, or just overdub the audio on your drone footage. Have we tried everything yet? Well, remember earlier I said there would be more ways to hide and attach your DJI mic. Well, if you're just doing a talking head video like this, then you can put the mic just off the screen and hide it just like this, and that audio is going to be good. Right out of view from the camera, you can't see it and you're still getting good audio. Now if you vlog with your camera, you can clip the mic onto the audio cable just like that to use just like you would with your shotgun mic if you need to get some quick shots and you don't want to clip it onto your shirt but you want that audio. Some other things you can do with this mic, this comes with a magnet. You can clip it inside your shirt with a magnet. So take the magnet and clip it on the bottom and it will have its own built-in stand just like that. This works for both microphones actually too. So clever. You must be a genius. Now remember, when making your videos, that audio is an important element in your film. Adding a microphone to your kit is one of the best upgrades if you're looking to improve the quality of your content. Audio is 50% or more of the viewer's experience, so getting better audio equals better quality video. So up your quality in your audio and you'll up your impact from your videos. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, be sure to share this video with a friend if you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in the next one.